Sick. Today we dive into the cockpit. The first thing that we have done is take out the entire dash. Pretty easy actually. Pretty much just unscrew the steering column plastics and then 2 screws in the top of the shroud and then 2 screws in the bottom, and the whole thing just comes out. The whole speedo just comes out, the whole cluster. First thing we're going to do is this comes with a patch harness from Haltech, which looks something like that. Plugs into the back of there like that. Pretty much just pin out on the back of this what sensors and what stuff you want on the readout. For example, left indicator, right indicator, high beam, low beam lights, parking brake, blah blah blah, all that stuff. But obviously you pin these into here like that, so these come out like so, and then you can just pretty much connect them one by one. See how you go, and then that just plugs into our CAN cable, which then runs along and just plugs straight into the ECU. All done, nice and simple. Pretty much just pin them out for exactly what they are. So, for example, that one is our right indicator, tacho, left indicator, speedo, handbrake, parker lights, all clearly explained in the little how-to menu of what comes with it. What we're going to do is jump into behind the dash, find a pin out of my cluster and what wires are coming to what pins on that, and then pretty much just cut them, splice into them with that plug it into the back of the IC7, turn it on. So all done. I have loosely got, let's see if I can balance it there, loosely got my left and right turns coming from the factory plugs down there, and then I've just got this fly lead can connected down to my wideband. Oh, nice. Oh, that's so sick. Alright, so it looks like we got, oh yeah, cool, because that's talking via CAN. So battery 12 volts, coolant temp is 29 degrees, air temp sensor is obviously disconnected at the moment. Cool. Alright, let's go. Left indicator. Oh, mad. Yes! Let's go. Alrighty, right. Oh, yeah. Yes. It's such a small win, but it's good. Alright, let's go. All in. Let's do the rest. Here we go. She's back together. A little bit of Armageddon going on in here, but everything's wired in now. I have been playing around with it. Look at her. Oh my god. All the sensors work. Obviously coolant temp coming from the CAN. Air temp is unplugged at the moment. We've got fuel level, that one there. Fuel level there, which will fluctuate with the voltage below it, but I just wanted to, I haven't calibrated that yet, but I just wanted to put it in there just so it's good just that we're getting a voltage. That's what's important. That way when I have time to fill up or completely empty the tank and then completely fill it, I can calibrate calibrate the sensor there. The only one I haven't hooked up yet is the tacho, and that's because the tacho and the speedo both come from the CAN. So what this Fruit Loop is currently explaining is the tack just comes from the Haltech via CAN. That's just a setting. The speedo actually comes from the gearbox into the back of the cluster and then into the Haltech. So what I did was just take a sensor ground from the Haltech, take it down to the gearbox, come back up to the back of the cluster and then across back to the Haltech. You don't actually have to run any wires down to the gearbox. I just use my factory wires. They come up to the back of the cluster. You just got to pin it out and find out which ones are which. It's actually not that hard. You just look at the colors, and then you simply just drive along at a known speed and press calibrate, and then it'll just calibrate your speedo for you. So fast forward about a year, to be honest. Don't mind this. This is just me getting carried away. So first thing that you guys wouldn't have seen yet, this Mako Motorsports mount is so mint. It just looks so nice. It completely finishes it off. So all the sensors working now, obviously, so both indicators and high beams and lights, and it dims down, it does the whole lot. It really is a simple install. Just figure out what's coming from where and just label it and just connect the dots. It's really that simple. We'll see if we can get it. Here we go. This will be a good test. 85 cold start. Oh, first go. How good. Thank you, Jazz. Just while we wait for it to warm up, it's always worth coming out and having a look, isn't it? So nice. She's smick now. So nice. Fucking love you. So that is all she wrote. She's so smick. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, so sick. Anyway, truly is an easy install. There's nothing to it. Just do some of your homework. The other thing that can get a bit tricky is finding out your car's wiring behind the dash, but even that's not that hard to figure out. Don't ask me for a breakdown of how I did it, because it was probably over a year and a half ago now. Just figure it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Also, we got a new dog. Oi, come here. He's so small he can fit through the gate. Come on. Come on, you can squeeze through. No, you're not happy with it. Alrighty. Hey, come here, puppies. Hello. Evie is tiny, and Lincoln is very tiny, aren't you? Yes. All he does is abuse her. Come on, let's go. In. Good guys.
Ever since you shut the door on everything we knew, you're too late for love, feeling your true love, feeling on love, feeling